by Cardona. That's spinning like a top shot.
He wasn't even aiming.
8 seconds on the shot clock. Yo trying to find an opening. Baba kay Asi Taulava. Cross court kay Mac. He hesitates on the 3, brings it closer, running shot. He gets the 2. We're tied up once again.
But a better
Patient
defensive
execution.
effort on the part of Mac Cardona to distract PJ Simon.
We're in the last 2 minutes of this game. Pass inside to Cardona. Gets back-to-back baskets. Gives his team the lead. 67-65. 1 minute and 54. Napatawag ng timeout si Coach Tim Combs. They will hang on to the air. And Air 21 doing just enough to stay afloat dito sa larong ito, Kinito.
Well, Asi Taulava, another assist pass. You watch it right here. Nahanap niya si Mac Cardona, and Cardona, as I said, he's the new go-to guy of Air 21, making his presence felt.
So you like Mac
Down
Cardona,
low
your team?
to Salvacion. Sunday spinning baseline, up and under, huli ni Kagiwa. Borboran! Patay ang butikik. Cardona saves the day!
That was a lucky break para dito sa Meralco Bolt partner.
And look at Coach Ryan Gregorio.
They are loving it.
Everybody off that Meralco bench exploding para salubungin yung 5 nila
Look
sa
at this
sahig.
lucky break. Mabibitawan. Boom! Masasali ni Mark Borboran. He's gonna heave up a 3-pointer. Tuk-tuk ng board. Bang! Bagsak sa bola sa kamay ni Cardona. The patented hook shot.
March at that baseline, gets it out to Cardona. Attacking once again is Captain Hook, naipit. Cardona, para-para lang!
Talk about desire and hunger for Mark Cardona.
Ano ang height nyo? Sabi ni Mac Cardona. Meralco Bolts.
If there was some question about how hungry Mark Cardona has been ever since he moved to Meralco,
Working double time off the boards, pero si Cardona is averaging 7 rebounds for himself here in the Commissioner's Cup as Taulava dives for it. Mercado to Macmac, and the familiar teardrop works para kay Cardona.
Mac Cardona telling the crowd, that's for you, and he gets the round of boos.
Well-deserved boost para dito kay Mac Cardona. Pinipinsala na naman niya dito ang Bimeg Llamados. Mac now with 11 points, but look at the ageless rock hustle for that. Kaya naman, it led to this 2-pointer by Mac Cardona. 68-55
In that game against Ginebra, ngayon si Denzel Bones nakaka-12 points na rin, even if he didn't score the entire second quarter.
Cardona working against Simon, looking for Taulava. The rock Fulton saves it to Mac Macapagal. Cardona nakakita ng konting buwang, looking to drop it off. Tinasalo ni Taulava, and the ball will go to the Llamados.
Another turnover by Meralco. Ang sikip na ngayon ng depensa sa loob ng Bimeg and forcing Meralco into a turnover.
Yancy kontra Asi. Pasa niya, malamya, natabik. Here comes Cardona, 3-on-3 on the run. Gawin mong 4-on-3. Cardona looking to go all the way to the hole.
Alam mo, that's redemption for Mark Cardona. Kanina, he issued a bad pass, and
Cardona zigzagging his way into the hole. Nowhere to go. Macapagal for 3. Bang!
Mac Cardona with the assist, pulling the trigger. Mark Macapagal.
Mac Cardona feeling it here in the playoffs. 85-77. Meralco balik sa abante by 8 points. Take a look at the sequence, the last couple of sequences. Cardona loving the negativity the crowd is giving him. At ito, nahanapan niya si Mac Macapagal, and it was Mac Cardona who is making things possible para dito sa Meralco. Nice recovery by Meralco at the halfway point of this fourth and final quarter. Cardona inatake si Intal. Cardona with a jump hook.
This is the time when Mark Cardona shines, when he rises to the occasion.
Inos kontra Urbistondo. Nakita si Macapagal. Over to Cardona. He's got 15 in total. Make that 17 for Captain Hook.
And Mark Cardona, I mean, he's just feeling it right now.
Iiling-iling na lang. Ito si Magma Cardona. Kahit anong kanyang ihagis, parang sa badya na lang lumulusot yung bola. Asi gets it over to Ross. Nakita ba si Cardona? Inilagay na ng Soriñon.
And that off-time, out-of-balance shot.
Saka sa celebrate, tinamaan si Cardona.
Nasundot yata sa mata si Mark Cardona ni Earl Barron.
Earl Barron to Magma Cardona. And Captain Hook will have the time of his life after that layup.
He's got 21 points. 10 points here in the fourth period. Engineering this breakaway by Meralco.